What if AI had 4 legs? You've seen humanoid robots stiffly waving their arms, chatbots spinning eloquent answers, and maybe even robot dogs trotting around labs. But what if the future of intelligent machines didn't mimic a human silhouette or a keyboard genius? What if it looked more like a mechanical horse galloping through the real world with purpose? Meet Kawasaki's CORLEO, a quadruped robot that's not built to look human, but to move smartly, decisively, and effectively through rugged, unpredictable terrain. This isn't just a robot with legs, it's physical AI reimagined, blending advanced decision-making with a form inspired by nature's most reliable movers. Buckle up, because this 4-legged marvel just might redefine what we expect from intelligent machines. What is CORLEO? CORLEO isn't your average robot. It's a 4-legged powerhouse that thinks as it moves. Developed by Kawasaki Heavy Industries in collaboration with ACE, Japan's National Institute of Advanced Industrial Science and Technology, this quadruped robot draws inspiration from equine mobility rather than human anatomy. Unveiled as a prototype in April 2025, CORLEO combines cutting-edge robotics with artificial intelligence to create a system that's less about chatting and more about acting. Its horse-like design isn't just for show. It's engineered for stability, flexibility, and the ability to tackle terrains that would trip up wheels or bipedal bots. Think of it as a physical AI platform, a robot that doesn't just follow commands, but makes real-time decisions about how to navigate the world around it. This is intelligence with legs. 4 of them to be exact. Redefining physical AI, not just about looking human. For years, the robotics world has been obsessed with humanoids. 2 legs, 2 arms, a head full of circuits mimicking our own. But CORLEO flips that script. Physical AI isn't about appearances, it's about embodied cognition, intelligence that lives in a body designed to interact with the real world. Kawasaki and ACE aren't chasing a sci-fi dream of robots that look like us. They're building machines that excel at what matters: function. CORLEO's 4-legged form is a testbed for how AI can sense, adapt, and move in complex environments. Unlike bipedal robots which struggle with balance on uneven ground, or wheeled machines that falter on rocks and rubble, CORLEO's quadruped design offers superior terrain handling. It's agile, balanced, and aware, proof that real-world intelligence thrives on practicality, not human imitation. This shift matters. While humanoid robots might shine in controlled settings or Hollywood blockbusters, the real world, messy, uneven, and unpredictable, demands something else. CORLEO's body isn't just a frame, it's a platform for AI to flex its muscles, literally and figuratively. It's a reminder that the future of robotics might not be about mirroring humanity, but mastering the environments we inhabit. 4 legs might just outsmart 2 when it comes to getting things done. The tech inside, how CORLEO thinks and moves. So, how does CORLEO pull off its 4-legged feats? It's more than a walking machine, it's a decision maker on hooves. Each leg is powered by multi-jointed actuators, mimicking the fluid adaptive motion of an animal. These aren't rigid pistons, but sophisticated systems that bend and flex like muscles and tendons. Embedded sensors, think pressure pads, gyroscopes, and environmental scanners, feed real-time data about the terrain into CORLEO's brain. Is the ground rocky, wet, steep? The robot knows, and its AI processes that input instantly to adjust its gait, speed, or balance. This isn't pre-programmed stumbling, it's dynamic problem-solving. If CORLEO hits a patch of slick mud, it recalibrates its steps, shifting weight like a horse avoiding a slip. If it's climbing rubble, it picks a path with precision, each leg moving independently to maintain stability. The AI integration is the magic here. It's not just reacting, but anticipating, learning from each stride to refine its next move. Kawasaki's engineers, alongside ACE's research muscle, have built a system where physical form and computational power dance in sync. It's a glimpse of AI that doesn't just think, it acts, with every step a testament to embodied intelligence. Why Kawasaki chose a horse-like design? Why 4 legs? Why the horse-like design? Kawasaki didn't choose this form on a whim. It's a calculated decision grounded in decades of experience across heavy industry, transportation, and robotics. The horse has long symbolized power, balance, and endurance, the ideal companion for navigating rough, unpredictable terrain. CORLEO takes that legacy and transforms it into a purposeful machine built for modern challenges. 4 legs offer more than just visual impact. They provide superior load distribution compared to bipedal designs and offer better stability than wheels, especially on uneven or unstable surfaces. CORLEO is built to move where others can't, carrying weight and maintaining balance with precision and purpose. Kawasaki's history with industrial robots and ACE's focus on practical tech converge in this design. A bipedal robot might tip over under a heavy load or falter on a slope, while a wheeled bot could get stuck in mud or gravel. CORLEO's quadruped stance tackles those challenges head-on, offering a balance of power and adaptability. It's built for tasks where stability and flexibility trump speed or human-like charm. Think hauling gear across a factory floor, trudging through disaster zones, or scouting remote sites. Kawasaki isn't betting on a gimmick, they're banking on a form that's proven itself in nature, now supercharged with AI. Use cases where CORLEO might work next. CORLEO isn't designed to stay in a lab, it's itching to get out into the wild. Robots like this are breaking free from sterile test rooms and stepping into real-world chaos. In industrial logistics, picture CORLEO hauling cargo across sprawling factory floors or uneven construction sites. Where wheels bog down and humans tire, its load-bearing capacity and terrain mastery could streamline supply chains in places too rough for traditional machines. In disaster zones, think earthquake rubble or flood-soaked debris, CORLEO could navigate where wheeled vehicles fail, delivering supplies or scouting for survivors with autonomous precision. Then there's remote infrastructure maintenance. Pipelines snaking through mountains, wind farms in windy wilds, or solar arrays in deserts. CORLEO could trudge along, inspecting and repairing with sensors feeding data back to base. Pair it with thermal cameras or gas detectors, and it becomes a roving sentinel in hazardous spots humans can't easily reach. Kawasaki and ACE envision a robot that doesn't just sit pretty but works hard, turning AI's brainpower into physical grit. It's not about replacing humans, it's about going where we can't, doing what we shouldn't have to do. So, is this the future of physical AI? Is the humanoid robot dream dead? Not exactly, but CORLEO makes it clear that mimicking humans isn't the only way forward. While sci-fi visions often chase robots that walk, talk, and behave like us, the real evolution of physical AI is taking a more practical route. Task first, not human first. Kawasaki's CORLEO is a prime example of this shift. It challenges the idea that intelligence must come in a familiar shape. Instead of walking on 2 legs or offering a handshake, CORLEO is engineered for performance, not companionship. It moves with the kind of efficiency seen in nature, not bound by the need to look human, but built to operate in the real world, solving real problems where function matters more than form. This isn't a rejection of humanoids, but a pivot to what works. Bipedal bots have their place. Think tight spaces or human-centric tasks. But quadrupeds like CORLEO shine where stability and adaptability reign supreme. Kawasaki and ACE are betting on performance over persona, on machines that mirror the resilience of animals rather than the quirks of people. As of April 10, 2025, CORLEO's still a prototype, but its implications are galloping toward us. The future of physical AI might not look like us. It might just have 4 legs, a sharp mind, and a knack for getting the job done.